Hi. Jason. Hi. Jason, are you my monkey? Are you my monkey? Someone is 7 months old today, huh? That's you. Mr. 7 months old.
Hello, everyone.
Look at Mama.
What do you think about Actually, that's why
Hi. Are you holding on as hard as you can? Are you holding on, buddy? Say hi to Grandpa. Say hi to all your grandmas and grandpas and cousins and uncles and aunties. Say hi to Daddy. Jason, what are you doing? Mr. Squats? A peekaboo. A peekaboo on the baby. Say hi. Mr. Big Guy standing up, and he's only 7 months old.
They ready to check out the bonfire pile first thing.
My big guy. I love you, Jason. I love you. I love you. Hi. I love you.